Hey guys, today we're taking a look at how you publish an app to Google, the Android store. Okay, this is the new Google Play console, so I'm doing an updated video here. So first thing is you log into all your apps, you hit the Create App button at the top right there and give the app its name. This is the app that I'm publishing today. I'll select the language. Okay, you can change this later, but app, is it an app or a game? It's an app. Is it free or paid? It's free. Declarations, yes, we confirm all this stuff. U.S. export laws, create the app here, bottom right of the corner there. And let's get started. So what we're going to do is start here, the initial setup. View the tasks. Let's click on App Access. Is there any special functionality that requires that requires you to give access to the app, or is there some restricted? So we're going to basically, there is restricted functionality in the app. If you don't log in, you can't see all the features in the app. So I'm going to provide instructions here. So I'm just going to put this login info, the login info account details. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is needed to log in to app to access all features. Okay, so there's a little explanation there. Hit apply and then save. Okay, then we go back, and then we're going to go next, just follow along. Does it have ads? Nope, the app does not have ads. Save that, go back. Content rating, we need to start do a rating here, so we'll start a questionnaire. This is the email address it's going to be sent to, so I'm going to use ours. The category, most often it's going to be utility or productivity. Hit next. Just answering questions. No, there's no violence, there's no sexuality, no offensive language, no controlled substances. None of this stuff really applies to the app. Allow to exchange content. No. All of these questions are no. You can read them in more detail if you want, but these are all no. I've done this a few times. Hit save. Go next. Okay, so this is the rating that they're giving us. All ages, which is fine. I'm going to submit this. Okay, that's done. Now we go back to the app content, and we need to do a privacy policy. So let's go to privacy policy, the URL for that. Just copying and pasting the privacy policy from our website. Hit save there. Going back a step. Target audience. Follow this through. This is really not geared to anyone under the age of 18. Hit next. Could you restore listing to the children? No, it couldn't. Hit save. This is done. All right, and where are we here? So go back to app content. I think I'm missing something. Completed. This is done. This is done. You can see the green check marks here. These are all completed. All right, so that is done. Well, the next step is going to releases and going to production. We're going to create a new release. Come over here, hit that button at the top right, and over here. Now, this is important. We do not want to opt in to Google, the automatic key signing, okay? So we're going to go to Manage Preferences, and we're going to opt out. This is very important. If you don't do this, you will have issues with the key going forward with the app. So make sure you're opting out of app signing by Google Play. Hit the Update button. Again, it's going to confirm, yes, opt out. Again, you've opted out. This is very important. If you don't, it won't work. You'll have to delete this and start all over again. So now it's asking for the APK, which is in our back office. So I just downloaded that from the back office. I click this upload button, and I find it right here. I upload the APK. Give it a few seconds. And you can see that the APK has now been uploaded. We've got to put some release notes here, and I'm going to add that. Okay, so something like that is fine. I'll hit the save button. The release has been created. Okay, so now we've got to go to the screenshots and all of that. Hang on a second. So bear with me. I'll click the review release button over here just to see where we're some errors here. So let's see your app can complete the steps. So go to the dashboard. There's a couple more warnings here. Blah blah blah. That's fine. Go to the dashboard. Okay, here's the dashboard again. So I've done all these things. Select an app category. So let's continue there. Here, let's select the category. What is this going to be? This is going to be, I guess, business. Okay. Store listing. Email, again, I'm going to use ours because we are the app developer. Com. Website. Okay, so save this. That's fine. Save that. Go back to, this is all done. Okay, go back to the dashboard. Set up your store listing. Okay, so here's the area where we'll have all the screenshots and all that kind of stuff. Short description, long description. Let me grab it. So I pasted the short description and full description in here. Okay, you can see the character limits allowed for each one of these. Now it's going on to the graphics. I'm going to go get the icon, which is in my folder right here. This needs to be a specific size, so I'm going to have to resize it. Okay, so I'm selecting the graphic icon, here. That's done. The feature graphic, got to upload that. This is an image for the store somewhere. That's that. Again, these are specific sizes. If you don't have the right sizes, it will not be accepted. And now the screenshots for the phone, and I will go to my download folder, and they are all here. So just take all these, open, and you'll be able to reorganize the front. Okay, so this looks good. Okay, actually this should be at the front too. This one at the front. There we go. And put this one at the back. Okay, so we've got the phone screenshots, the feature graphic, the icon. These are all done. If you want to have this available for tablets, you're going to need to do the same thing for the screenshots here and upload them as well. Here and here. This is 7-inch, this is the 10-inch. Do the same thing here. Okay, let's just arrange this in the same order. That was there, this was there, and this was there. Okay, so that's good. 7-inch. This was first, and this was second. This was next. Okay, so that's done. The tablets are done. And if you had a video, you could also upload a video of tutorials, whatever promotional video. You can do that here as well. You can hit save. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the dashboard, and let's see where we are. So we are completed that. We don't need to test. We want to release the app, publish the app. So one of 3 things, select countries and regions. Right at the bottom here, publish your app on Google. Okay, so I'm going to make this available in all regions. I'm going to select all the countries, add. Okay, so we're adding 151 countries, which is fine. It's available, all of them. Great. Let's go back to the dashboard. Back down here, regions is done, and review and roll out the release. So everything has been done now. I think here, this is creating. No, we don't need to create the test app at all. So we're all done here. We scroll to the bottom and review and roll out the release. So this is done here. Where are we? Edit, the edit button, and then bottom right, we review the release. It's going to give you any kind of issues. We've got a couple of warnings. You can disregard these. These are just things that can be done a little bit differently than we've done them. And hit right down here at the bottom right, start rollout to production. Once you hit that, you're good. Your app is now going to be published. This is a release. It's being reviewed. It may take 24 hours, 48 hours. Sometimes it's quicker, sometimes it's longer, but that's it. That's the complete step-by-step process and how you upload a mobile app to the Google Play Store. Thanks for watching.